How to fix VLC Media Player not playing your YouTube videos. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the problem related to VLC Media Player not opening your YouTube videos. So what the error means, let me just show you. So once I click on the VLC Media Player, and simply head over to the option called network stream from the media section, and once I click here, as you can see, I've already copied one link. When I try to play it, it actually doesn't play, and it tries to show me some kind of error. As you can see, the error is on my screen. So what you can do is simply close the error for now, and just let me show you what you need to do. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your browser and make sure you copy every single line from here like this. Make sure you copy this link and simply paste it into your browser, and there will be one file. You will need to download it, and once you download the file, it will be something like this. It will be with the extension .lua. It's for the VLC Media Player files. So after you download it from the browser, don't worry, it will be directly downloaded. You simply head over to your PC, and inside your PC section, if you are using 64-bit Windows, you just need to head over to your program files and simply click on the video LAN option over here. And once you see the folder VLC, you can see the folder called Lua as well. Once you click on Lua, simply head over to playlist option, and you can see this already a file name youtube.lua. What you need to do is simply delete this file from here. Click on continue, give the administration purple access as well, and after you do that, simply copy this. Let me just show you from here. Let me just minimize it so it will be easy to copy the file. Simply click on this and simply bring it over here and paste it, the file that you just downloaded. And once you do that, your issue should pretty much be fixed. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.